Okay, you see that XML file conversion to uh, text file labels, and after that you have to make this structure. And in the YAML file, YAML file, data.yml file, you have to write the path of the folder, and this you have to write this path carefully. This path is the actual address which will be after uploading file in Kaggle. Okay, so let's say you have the structure of your zip file like this: gun 8 annotations, gun 8 annotation. Uh, let's say this file gun 2. So this is the gun to zip folder. That is the zip folder which we will make this as a zip folder. Okay, then you have to write the name of the dataset here. When you have to upload this, you have to upload this folder also. First we upload the folder, this folder, and this folder have XML file and JPG file, this and all images and XML file in the same folder. This folder or this dataset will not be used, it's not helpful for working with YOLOv8. So this we upload this for converging from XML annotation to the text file annotation, and for checking is that annotations structure okay or not. Then you have to when you download annotations like I explained earlier, after that you have to make this structure, this folder structure, and for uploading you have to remember that your folder name is gun2, and you have to again upload this folder here. So you have to put a name. When you will upload this folder here, you have to set a name also for that specific dataset. So in my case I use that name, I use this name gun8 annotations, and this is the zip folder which you will be upload. So you have to remember this. You have to write the path in this format: Kaggle input, and this is the name which you will be used on Kaggle for making dataset, and this is the name of folder which is the zip file you have uh, in your computer. Then this structure is used for train, valid, and test folders. So you have to just mention train images, valid images, and test images. See, this is the same structure which we have here for all files. This is for gun2. Gun2 will be selected from here, and test and images will be selected here. Test images, valid images, and train images. See, train have same structure, train and images. So in these folder, images and label folder, the annotation file and the image files must be same. Then you have to mention your classes. Like in my cases, I have two classes, pistol and gun. I mentioned it, and you have to save this file data.yml, and you have to save. You have to make zip folder from this file, from this gun2. Make a zip folder, and you have to upload. I already upload it here. I make after using this box. You have to browse file. You have to select your this folder gun2, and you have to mention the gun8 annotation that I told you. You have to use any name. You can use any name, whatever you want. But in my case, I use it, so I am just telling you. You have to write here the name of the folder. So gun8 annotation and gun2 is the zip file. I already uploaded it, so I don't need to upload it again. So it will be available here, or you can, it will be when it will be uploaded, you have to add it manually. You can, all uploaded folder will be display here, you have to just click on this plus sign and it will be added. These two added, this is not added, so it show these two data set added in this page. Okay, now the last step, upload and run the model. After uploading, as I told you, you have to use only these 1 2 3 4 lines and it's working. First you have to write this line, and you have to write a use model. You can use pre-trained model, or you can use a new model from scratch using this line. And then you have to write this statement: result is equal to model dot train, and you have to put your YAML file, data.yaml file location. You have to copy path and paste it here. See, it is the same path which is here, and you have to set epochs and image size. So boom, your model will be trained, and you will see this. And in this folder you can see the results parameter. Here is the code for results parameter. Using this lines of code, you can use your result parameter. You can see all image file and text files.